Look, we all know Meta AI can generate some absolute heat, but that moving watermark they slap on your videos, it completely ruins the vibe. If you use their default download button, you're stuck with that annoying logo jumping all over your screen. But I got you. Here is exactly how we bypass it completely free, with zero limits and without signing up for anything. First step, skip their download button. Instead, just grab the video URL. If a glitch pops up saying something went wrong, don't trip. Just hit that copy button one more time until it takes. Next, pull up a site called VidSaver. It's completely free and they don't ask for any of your info. Paste your link right into the box and hit Download Meta Video. Now, full disclosure, a random ad page is going to pop up. Don't panic, that's just how the site makes its money. Just click back to the original tab and hit that download button again. Give it a second to process, wait out the 15-second timer, and your clean download link will appear. Click through that last quick ad, and boom, you've got your video in full, crisp quality, completely spotless.
If this just saved your workflow, do your boy a solid. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next hack. If you're still a little confused on what niche to get into, you definitely need to watch this video right here where I break it all down visually. And yo, if you want to take things to the absolute next level and learn how to scale this into making crazy cinematic documentary videos, I've got the ultimate blueprint for you. Go watch this video next and let's get after it. Catch you all in the next